Alright, let's get into it. Why should you be learning AI in 2025? As a wise man once said, the only constant is change. And boy, is that true, especially in the world of technology. Remember when Facebook was just a website for college students and Google was seen as a fun way to find stuff? Well, they changed the world. But now there's a new player on the block, and it's shaking things up even more. In the early 2000s, knowing how to use the internet was a game changer. In the 2010s, social media and smartphones were where it's at. And right now, guess what's blowing up? Artificial intelligence, aka AI. Just think about it. When was the last time you watched a movie on Netflix without any record? Or when was the last time you took a picture and didn't use filters? That's AI in action, folks. It's changing how we live, work, play, you name it. So here's the deal. In 2025, every business out there, big or small, will be using AI to save money, work smarter, not harder, and come up with cool new stuff. Think of it like this. You wouldn't have believed me if I told you back in 2010 that one day you'd carry a computer in your pocket that's 1,000 times more powerful than the computers that guided us to the moon. Well, here we are. That's how big AI is going to be. It's gonna change everything. And here's another thing you wouldn't have guessed. One day, robots would be driving cars. But you know what? Self-driving cars are not a fantasy anymore. They're being tested right now, and soon enough they'll be everywhere, and you better believe that. Now, let's talk about why you should be learning AI in 2025. First off, let's talk jobs. AI is creating a whole bunch of new job opportunities. In fact, AI-related skills are the most in demand in the job market right now. Let's say you're into programming, data science, cybersecurity, or even project management. If you know how to use AI, you'll be way ahead of the game. And trust me, employers are looking for people who understand how AI works. They want people who can use it to improve things and make better decisions. So if you want to stay ahead of the curve and have a killer resume, you should definitely learn it. Second, let's talk creativity. AI is not just for programmers and tech geeks, it's for everyone. If you're a writer, musician, artist, podcaster, or content creator, AI can help you unleash your creativity and make amazing stuff. There are AI art generators, music creation platforms, and video editors that can help you create like a pro. With AI on your side, you can launch a side hustle, build a YouTube channel, or even start an AI-powered business. It's a whole new world of possibilities. Third, let's talk decision-making. AI helps you make smarter decisions based on data and facts instead of just guessing. Whether you're investing money, planning content, predicting trends, or anything else, AI takes the guesswork out of the equation. You can analyze huge amounts of data in no time and come up with strategies that are way more effective. Fourth, let's talk about keeping up with the times. Technology is always evolving, so you gotta evolve with it. If you don't learn AI, you'll be left behind. It's as simple as that. Think about it. If you said, "I don't need to learn computers" back in the 1990s, you'd be out of luck by now. The same goes for AI today. It's not just a passing fad, it's here to stay. Look, learning AI isn't hard. There are tons of resources out there to help you get started. And the best part is, you don't have to be a tech genius to get it. All you need is a little curiosity and a willingness to learn. Trust me, it's worth it. If you want to stay relevant, keep your job, be a creative powerhouse, make better decisions and future-proof your career, you should be learning AI. So what are you waiting for? Dive in and start learning today. You won't regret it. That's all I got. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll catch you later.